March 2009 when Anna and Calum first met. It was in the classy, talky establishment of Bohemia nightclub, when Lady Gaga's Poker Face dominated the charts and Amy Winehouse beehives dominated dance floors. Friends' accounts say it was an instant attraction between the pair. Anna notes in particular it was Calum's serial killer eyes that immediately drew her in. A feature I'm not sure that most women should be looking for at 2 a.m. whilst intoxicated. And as we've heard from Calum earlier today, it was Anna's big personality that drew him in. The first encounter went well. So well, in fact, that Calum asked Anna on a first date the following morning. He was eager to impress her, so he plucked up the courage and he invited Anna to his favourite wine and dine, the Meerkat restaurant at Paynton Zoo, along with his mum, because it was Mother's Day.
I think I was there as well.
Needless to say, Anna refused that initial invitation. But fortunately for Calum, she was willing to give him another chance, and look at them now.
I'd like to welcome you all, friends and family, in bearing witness to their commitment to each other and to help them to celebrate their marriage here today. I know you'll agree that Anna looks supremely beautiful. Anna was a fiery child, you might not guess this, of the family, which is amazing really, since we see her now very often as this composed, patient and very compassionate mother and professional woman. I'm grateful for the rare opportunity that today gives me to publicly declare our pride, our love and respect for you, Anna, for being a patient, loving, caring, sometimes forthright, but very often funny and slightly scary daughter. And sister, you've always been and continue to be in our lives. I also want to express our love and respect for Calum, who also demonstrates his love and patience daily. Today being yet one example.
We've both always wanted a family, and I can certainly say we didn't expect to have two boys that make us laugh every single day. It's certainly our proudest moment as a couple, that's for sure. So, Emerson and Rafferty, we love you.
Like all relationships, it hasn't always been plain sailing, and we all know how stubborn and fierce Anna can be. So the fact you've been brave enough to marry her, Calum, is a testament to you. With the arrivals of Emerson and Rafferty, you've grown as a couple and as a family and overcome every challenge. We are already so proud of what you guys have achieved. We can't believe you've made us wait this long, 14 years, or then drive this far to get here. But we can't wait to see where your journey continues.
I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning, losing and trying. We'll be together because I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. As sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years, so I will be here. I will be here, and you can cry on my shoulder. When the mirror tells us that we're older, I will hold you. I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and to tell you all the things that you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made, and to you and to the one who gave you to me. And just as sure as the seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years, I will be there. We'll be together. I will be here.
Anna, with this ring, a promise is sealed between us. A promise of love and friendship to bind us together now and always.
Calum, with this ring, a promise is sealed between us. A promise of love and friendship.
To bind us together now and always.
To bind us together now and always.
It is my enormous pleasure to announce that you are indeed husband and wife.